Now, let's have a look at that top 10 board. From the top down, here we go. Number 1, Alley-Oop. Number 2, Because They're Young. Number 3, I'm Sorry. Number 4, Everybody's Somebody's Fool. My Hometown. Number 5, Cathy'S Clown. Number 6, Mule Skinner Blues, Only the Lonely, Wonderful World. And number 10, Burning Bridges. And here is a song that has been there in the top 10 for quite some time. It was recorded in Nashville, Tennessee. It has a sound all its own. Little unusual, little strange, but very, very successful. And it's done in the inimitable style of the fellows who have done so many other hits. This one's called Cathy'S Clown. Again, the